Hello everybody, second video today, another one that's going to be nice and simple, hopefully, fingers crossed. I've got this, now I've had this in my cupboard for a couple of months, Fajita melt. I've had it a couple of months but I've not got around to doing the video. But then when I was up Tesco, last week I think it was, and I've done that chicken and prawn stir fry, they have this as well. Fajita mix, £3. So I thought, why not put that with that and see what happens. I mean, I know they're only wraps in the seasoning, ain't they? I think that was £2.50, but I've had it a few months now, so I'm not sure how much it is now. You could just get your own wraps, couldn't you, and a bit of seasoning and do it like that, but because I want that in, that's what I'm going to do. So let's cook it all up and see what it comes out like. Right, first thing I'm going to do then, I've got my pan warming up, and I'm going to use a bit of garlic olive oil, just a little drop. And yeah, these are £3, so they're quite good value. I mean, you get quite a lot. I mean, they've done 2 big stir fries, and they also do a Thai green curry one. Now, I'm not buying that one because I don't like Thai green curry, so I'll just give it a bad review anyway. But it's there, £3 for a bag like this Thai green curry, if anyone's interested. Just thought I'd let you know that. So we're going to get all this open anyway, so I want to get this cooked up first, because then I've got to get it to cool down before it goes in the wrap. I say with that stir fry I've done before, a bit more seasoning to your own taste and it'll be bang on. But we'll try this one out. Say all the take, these is about 10 minutes I think. Yeah, frozen 8 to 10 minutes in a wok or frying pan or whatever, you know, on a medium high heat. Turn that up a little bit more. So we'll let them do their thing for a bit. You get quite a lot, so you get a big pan full. Right, while that's cooking away, I'm going to do my cream cheese. Now on the instructions it says there, get your cream in a bowl, heat in the microwave for 1 minute. So we'll do that first. 120 gram. So I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to play it by ear. Don't really matter, does it? This is what's this, a 300 gram pot, so something like that I suppose. We'll get that in for 1 minute, we'll give it a mix, add some cheese, then put it back in. That's been in a minute, mainly cheese. Looks curdled a bit, doesn't it? Looks a little bit curdled. Let's give it a mix. Okay. Back in for 1 more minute. While that's doing, we'll open these up and we'll get the sauces out. Where do I open it? Where do I open it? There we go. So I think everybody's had these in now. I don't know if they've had the melts before. I mean, this one's avocado, and I ain't having that stuff. I'm not having that stuff. There's the seasoning. That one's got to go in the pan, which we're going to do in a minute. There's the seasoning to go in the cheese and the cream, and there's your wraps. Little seasoning into your cheese and your cream mix. Get it in, give it a mix and leave to one side till you're ready. Looking nice, ain't it? That ain't too bad. That's how you make your own. You just do some paprika and that, couldn't you, with some a bit of chilli or something, couldn't you? Make your own. Instead of buying them boxes, but it's only because I had it in. There's that, look, that ain't too bad. That's done. Now that's been cooking for a few minutes, I'm going to add my big seasoning in there now. Get that incorporated into it. Bit watery that look, innit? But that's all the peppers and the onions and all the water off it, I suppose. Yeah, you could get better chicken, couldn't you, and all that, but for a convenient, quick bit of grub, I don't think you can get too wrong with that stuff, you know. Yes, you can buy all better ingredients, but serves two. I mean, it would serve more than two with wraps, wouldn't it? Or whatever they're called, melts. But they're wraps, ain't they? That's all they are, ain't they? Looking quite nice now, that, ain't it? Thickened up, lovely. We will let that do its thing. Right, that is done, guys. Now I've just tasted a bit of chicken just to make sure it was done. And oh, has it got a kick? Got a little bit of a kick, that has. So we're going to leave that to cool down now for 10 minutes or so before it goes into the wraps. Right, guys, everything has cooled down. So we're going to get a wrap now. We want a thin layer of cheese, so it says, on the base first. Like so. And there's the cheese, just a thin layer. And spread it out all around the edges. Obviously it's all going to go, it should all go gooey again, shouldn't it, I suppose, once you fry it up. I hope I've done enough cheese to do 6. I don't know if I'll get 6 actually out of it, we'll see anyway, we'll see. That's good enough. There's the mixture, it's looking quite nice now. We will get some in the middle. Now I think obviously if you used, I think they says chicken breasts, it'd probably be a lot thicker, wouldn't it? There you go, like that, like that, like that, and like that. There we go, there's one. I'll do the rest and then we'll fry some up. And the last one now. So there we go, that's just enough cheese there, I think. So yeah, the first one I was about right. That's right, yeah, I mean, you can always make more, can't you? More cream, more cheese. And I could have been a bit more generous with the filling, but I didn't know. I probably got enough for about another 2 with the filling. Oh, nah, maybe another 1. I'm just going to make one big one out of this if I can. If I can fold it now. That's the question. There we go, I'll fry that one first. Right, we'll get the first one in. This is the big one. Same side down. And a small one. I wouldn't get 3 in there, would I? Oh yeah, just about. Right, we'll fry away then. We'll get all them fried up. Right guys, and there we are. They look quite nice, don't they? Took about, I don't know, 30 seconds each side to toast, that's about all. Right, let's have a taste test. Right then, yeah, they look quite nice. There they are, you can't see inside them at the minute, but they look quite nice, don't they? Let's get a couple on the plate. Go on, Bab, tuck in. That's just a massive one at the back there, if you want the massive one, right? Yeah, let me just show you. Let me cut one open actually, get a knife. Sharp knife. What do you think?
I haven't got into the centre yet.
I ain't got into the centre. Let me show you anyway. Let's cut it up a bit. Let's see.
What flavour are they?
Fajita. Sounds weird.
I don't know, I haven't got to it yet.
Oh. There's a little bit of cheese in there, and a lot. Gooiness. That one looks a bit better. You got the gooiness, ain't you? You got the gooiness there. You could do with some more cheese in there, couldn't you? What do you think?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
No.
I'm gonna have a go anyway.
You probably like it.
I do like it. It's got a right kick, you know. Yours got a kick?
Yeah.
Why's that got a kick? Mild. What was that other one? It's got to be that. Tesco, I threw that in the bin now. I'll have a look in a minute. It's got a right kick in my throat, that has. Isn't it? That's too spicy for you?
Yeah.
Is it? Unless we're getting weak with
A little bit, no.
the spices now.
No, that.
But that is delicious. I like that cheese.
It's not horrible.
With that spicy, not that paprika spice. Put it all on your chin, sweetheart. No, it's not horrible. It's just really spicy, isn't it? Why is it so spicy? I mean, it's got like, I really like them. I do like it. I mean, you've got the Fajita seasoning in the packet, in the Tesco frozen packet, and the Fajita seasoning in the
That's probably
the
why.
Fajita, so it's doubled the seasoning, isn't it? It's spicy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice. I like that, I do. I think them things there from Tesco for £3. I think they're well worth the money. Well worth the money. So get your own wraps. You've got a bit of paprika and a bit of chilli. Mix that in. You're laughing, ain't you? Bit of chilli powder or something like that. My eyes, man. No. You're not in two minds. It's the spiciness, isn't it?
No.
No? The peppers and that for you, or
No.
no? What?
I don't know.
You can't put your finger
I
on
can't
it.
put my finger on it. I'm not sure.
Just not for you. It's one of them that's not for you. Yeah.
No, it's like, just
Yeah.
not...
Yeah.
The spice isn't getting to me.
The spice is getting to me. I don't know what's happened to me. I used to be really good with spice.
The spice isn't getting to me at all.
I'm starting to burn. That's burning me, that. And I'm sweating.
I'm
I'm literally sweating.
just not sure.
I don't know. Sweating, honestly. I don't understand it. What's going on with the spices with me? What did we have the other day?
Jerk chicken.
Oh, them jerk chicken, I didn't get no sound on, didn't I? I was sweating like a, if you'd have seen it, like, I couldn't upload it because there's no sound. I was sweating like a poop, and that was just sitting there eating it. I don't know what's happened to me. But yeah, I will definitely buy them again. My own wraps, though, probably. Instead of just buying them for £2.50. If you've got a bit of chilli powder and some paprika, mix it together, get it spicy. But them packets for £3, they're well worth the money. For quick, simple, convenient, done. About 15 minutes to the lot. As I say, I am the old food guy. I'm going to go and eat it now. Till next time. Pig. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, what would you mark that at 10? You wouldn't mark it, would you? Very well, would you?
I can't mark it today.
No, because you're not in too keen.
I'm not sure. I can't mark it today, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, I'd mark it probably an 8 out of 10. Me, myself. See you later. Bye-bye. I'm changing my score. They are absolutely delicious. I like every single bit of that. I'm giving it a 10. For simple, convenient. That is delicious. 15 minutes to make. I could eat loads and loads of them. 10 it is from me. That's refusing to mark it.
Not refusing, I don't know, I can't pull anything.
I think it might be the cheese with that. Because it's like a bit like that mac and cheese, isn't it? Cheese. Like the white cheese, because it's cream.
It could be.
And so you might be the cheese
It could be.
with you. Never mind, I'm giving it a 10 anyway. For something simple and convenient. 15 minutes to do. Bang. See you later.